Hello students, so welcome to our YouTube channel. So in this video we will discuss this question. We have to prove that the function f from R to R defined by fx is equal to 3 minus 4x, fx is equal to 3 minus 4x is bijective. So we have to prove that this function is bijective. So what is the meaning of bijective? Bijective means it will be 1 1, it will be 1 1 as well as on 2. So if these two are true, that function is 1 1 as well as on 2. So this will be bijective function. And now what is the meaning of 1 1? What is the meaning of on 2? I will discuss in this. Correct? And so we have to prove that this is 1 1, this is on 2. If this 2 is true, so I will tell that it is bijective. Correct? So okay, so now since function is given as fx is given as 3 minus 4x. Now first I will check for 1 1. Check 1 1. So when a function will be 1 1, so in short you can understand one and only this few statement I am writing to explain. Okay, no need to write in exam. Okay, one and only one image. Correct? So this you no need to write in exam. So one and only one image. What is the meaning? Meaning is that is if fx1 is equal to fx2, then x1 is equal to x2. So if this condition is true, then I will tell this is 1 1. Okay, so this you will write in exam. Only this part you don't have to write. Okay, one and only one image. Okay, this you will write. Okay, so this condition should be true. So how I will prove that this is true? So I will assume that fx1 is equal to fx2 and I will prove that this is equal. Correct? Like this. So what I am telling? I am telling that since fx1, you will write like this, since fx1 is equal to fx2, it means fx1. So by using that definition, I can write fx is equal to 3 minus 4x. So fx1 will be equal to 3 minus 4x1. Instead of x, you will write x1. So 3 minus 4x1. Similarly, right side, fx2 will be 3 minus 4x2. Instead of x, you will write as x2. Correct? And this 3 both sides, so this will cancel. So now you can write as minus of 4x1 is equal to minus of 4x2. Minus minus cancelled, 4 cancelled. So you can tell that x1 is equal to x2. So you started from here that this is true, and then you got that x1 is equal to x2. It means it is satisfying the condition of 1 1. So you will tell that, so it means function is 1 1. Function is 1 1. Correct? So first part we proved that it is 1 1. Now I am checking for onto. Check onto, because if both condition is true, then only I will tell that it is bijective. Correct? So onto means simple. In simple term, if I will say, then codomain is equal to range. If codomain is equal to range, then you will tell that it is onto function. Correct? Now I will check. So if you will see in the question, codomain means what? What are the elements present in the second? That is R, from R to R. Correct? So this is domain and this is codomain. So codomain is nothing but R. Codomain is nothing but R. So it is given in question. So codomain is R. You can write in bracket that given in question. Correct? So codomain we got. Now we have to find the range. So how we will find the range? So range means since fx is, what is the function? Function is 3 minus 4x, and I will tell this as y. So we have to check that y, what is the y, means possible values of y. Is it r? If it is r, then it will be equal to codomain and this will be onto. Okay, so I am checking. So how I will check? X is given, because in function it is given that r from r. So r means this is domain. So domain means possible values of x. Correct? So possible value of x is r. Means I can say that x belong to r. Since x belong to r according to the question. So if x belong to r, then if you will multiply this x with 4, then this will also belong to r only. Correct? Okay? Okay? So if 4x, or you can say that minus 4x belong to r. Correct? This also. Correct? Because minus also it is r only, right? It is r means from minus infinity to infinity. You are telling this now, minus infinity to infinity. So this is 0, 1, 2, right side positive, left side negative, and it will include fraction number also. So any number from minus infinity to infinity. Correct? So either it is x from r to r, so 4x will be also same. Correct? Minus 4x also. Correct? Okay? So or if you are adding 3 both side, if you are adding 3 both side also, then also it is same only, because r plus 3 will be what? R only. If you will add 3 also, it will be in that range only. It will be from minus infinity to infinity only. Correct? So 3 minus 4x belong to r. And what is the 3 minus 4x? 3 minus 4x is nothing but y. So I can say that y belong to r, or I can say that range, it means range is equal to r, and codomain was r and range is also r. So it means both are same only. So you can write codomain is equal to r. This is a easy method I am telling, easiest method. Okay, no need to complicate the things. You can write simply codomain is equal to r. If codomain is equal to r, it means codomain is equal to r means it is onto. It is onto. So from first you prove that it is 1 1. In second you prove that it is onto. Correct? So you can write the final statement, since fx is 1 1 and onto 1 1 and onto, so therefore, or you can write therefore fx is bijective. Bijective means nothing but it is 1 1 as well as onto. Correct? So proved. Correct? So I hope you understood. I tried to explain in a very easy way. Okay?